Guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm here with some breaking news with Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. Breaking news from Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. This news is on their website now, and we're going to break it. Taat finalizes engagement with Omnichannel Cpg sales agency Crossmark with access to over 100,000 US convenience stores. This is the big breaking news from Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. Big breaking news from Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. Love to know what you guys think of this news. It's literally just broken. And of course, your boy is here to break it first. Hope you're having a nice day. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you had a fabulous day. Hope you're having a wonderful day. How you guys doing? If you guys like these videos, please smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and we have breaking news from Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. All three varieties of Taat are now being represented by Crossmark. Here we go, folks. A sales and merchandising agency for CPG products that has established relationships with major retailers across all channels. Taat finalizes engagement with Omnichannel Cpg sales agency Crossmark with access to over 100,000 US convenience stores. That's right, 100,000 US convenience stores. Not 1,000, 100,000 US convenience stores. 100,000 plus. This is huge news for Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. We wanted sales, and boy, oh boy, are we going to get some sales. Oh, this is big news, huge news. Crossmark is a sales and merchandising agency for CPG products that has established relationships with major retailers across all channels, with demonstrated success in commercializing tobacco alternatives that achieved dominant e-cigarette market share in the United States. Crossmark is presently working with the company to begin securing widespread on-shelf retail availability of Taat products for purchase by legal age smokers. Whoa. This is big news, guys. Love to know what you think about this news. I was not expecting this. This is huge, which could include points of sale in the 100,000 plus US convenience stores serviced by Crossmark. Wowzers. Love to know what you guys think about this news. Please comment in the chat. This is massive news. Investors are talking about it everywhere in our club. Taat Lifestyle and Wellness, symbol TAAT in Canada, TOBAF in America on the OTCQB, and in Frankfurt under the symbol 2TP2. Is pleased to announce that its flagship product, Taat, is now under the representation of Crossmark Inc., a Texas-based sales agency of more than 25,000 employees. Whoa. That serves retail channels across North America as well as Canada. Okay, this is good. We got Canada in the picture. Taat intends to leverage Crossmark's existing relationships with over 100,000 convenience retailers to expand availability of Taat in Ohio and potentially elsewhere in the United States. There it is. There it is. Huge, huge, huge news. Massive news. What do you guys think? Yeah, you're always going to get some clowns that are going to come in and say, oh, you know, different things that really absolutely make zero sense. That probably means they're short on the stock and they're about to feel a squeeze. It's true. There are people out there that would like to short rockets. I have no idea why. I'm not that person. Taat is clearly a rocket. We can look at the chart all day long. We can look at this chart all day long. It started at 41 cents, currently at $3.21. In any country in the world, I would consider that a huge success. In any market in the world, I would call a stock that started at 41 cents and is now at $3.21 a huge success. In any country, in any language, anywhere in the world, this looks like a trend that is going up. Last time I looked, unless my eyes are failing me, when a stock goes from 41 cents to 321 in 6 months, that is what we call a huge success. Please let me know if I'm incorrect. Forgive me if I'm wrong. But if a stock goes from 41 cents pre-IPO to $3.21 in 6 months, is that not a success? Just checking. Because where I come from, in our community, we've made a killing on Taat. An absolute rocket ship for our community. And it's funny when I hear people saying weird things about rockets that are up hundreds and almost 1,000%. It's almost a 10 bagger at $4.41. It will officially be a 10 bagger. A 10 bagger. That's right. A 10 bagger. Let me zoom in for anyone that is having troubles reading the chart. If you struggle to read a chart, let me zoom in for you. Do you see how it's gone up? Have you seen how it's gone up? Oh, man. Anything is possible with Taat. I remember when we started this company and we started talking about this company and it was just an idea. And now they are going to be potentially in 100,000 plus convenience retailers throughout America. This is absolutely enormous news for Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. Besides food, beverage, and household products in the consumer packaged goods CPG category, Crossmark has also had success in commercializing tobacco category offerings in the United States. In addition to providing wholesale and retail head office listing support, Crossmark is to deploy an in-field execution team across both banner and independent retailers to support in-store acceptance, merchandising, and reorders of Taat products. Taat also seeks to leverage Crossmark's extensive promotional, trade marketing, and analytics support to augment existing initiatives and potentially drive nationwide growth as the company works toward its sales and volume objectives for 2021. Wowzers. Company's engagement with Crossmark is the result of successful completion of a process that began in October 2020. That's right, in October, with the company issued requests for proposals to solicit national level representation for Taat by a sales agency in the United States. After reviewing 3 proposals and completing due diligence, the company entered into an agreement with Crossmark dated January 20th, 2021, in which Taat will work collaboratively with Crossmark over the next several weeks to prepare their employees to onboard Taat as part of its CPG offering and begin rapidly introducing the product line to retail accounts who sell tobacco. Wow. This is huge news. Let's see who's in the room. Let's say hi to the team and anybody who is watching, because if you're winning, you're probably watching. And if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. Simon says, this is crazy news. I agree with you, Simon. Chang Zong says, thanks, Rich. Hey, my pleasure. Brad Hunt. Hey, how you doing, Brad? Let's get round 2. I think it's like round 5 for Taat, isn't it? Isn't this about round 5 now? I mean, from what I've heard, this is like round 5. Happy One says Taat will explode. I agree with you. Well, it's already exploded and it's just starting. The Great Bambino says, bro, who the hell cares about hemp cigarettes? This is the biggest joke. I totally disagree with you, but you're totally allowed to have your own opinion. And if it was a joke, why is the stock up from 41 cents to $3.21? That doesn't look like a joke to me. Definitely doesn't look like a joke to me. But you can definitely look in the mirror. You can definitely look in the mirror and ask yourself who the joke is. Expert Trading says 100,000 stores. The Investment ABC says, very good news. This will be way easier to get into a lot of retail stores that's doing it by themselves. You would trust a company that you are working with that is not recommending any brand. Ali says, Bambino, sell me your shares, then it's such a joke. I think we all know that there's a lot of people that are probably short the stock and they're really scared right now. They're probably scared right now. Cali Dog says, like Dumbino owns any. Dumbino, I like that. I like that. Ali Nasser says, Diamond Hands holding 5,000 at 98 cents and 1,000 at 265 Canadian. Well done, Ali. You're already up, brother. Happy One says, can you maybe send a pack to Austria? Yeah, it's possible. I think you should message the company. Anything is possible. Message the company. They'll send you a pack if you ask them nicely. Company will send you a pack. I mean, they're sending packs to people all over the world. So yeah, why not? Just ask. Just ask. Anything's possible if you ask. The Investment ABC says they have a great product and many smokers will try it and stick with it. People with chronic pain or sleeping problems, people who don't smoke because they are scared, they get addicted. At the end of the day, there's been a lot of people try these products and people are buying the products and people are reordering the products. And now they are in 100,000 locations potentially in America with this new partnership with Crossmark. So yeah, I mean, there's going to always be haters, people that didn't get in under $1 and the stock's now at $3. They're going to be angry at the stock. I didn't get in. I didn't get in at $1 or 50 cents. I didn't get in, so I'm going to complain. That's not my problem. It's not my problem if you didn't get in under $1. I brought this pick pre-IPO at 41 cents. It's not my problem if you didn't get into this rocket early. The good news is it's just getting started. That's the good news. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. And don't necessarily listen to anything that anybody says on these streams because everybody that's in the chat has their own personal opinion about Taat based on their own situation. So some people might be short on the stock. Some people might be long on the stock. Some people might be up. Some people might be down. Everybody has their own situation, and that's going to determine how they react to news. But this news with Crossmark and Taat, oh yeah, this is big news. This is huge news. And I'm breaking this news first. Let's just go through Crossmark a little bit, okay? Let's just go through Crossmark a little bit. Jules asks, what's the price target for this week and tomorrow? I don't really concern myself with price targets. I just feel like this is a growing company. Clearly, they're going to have growing revenue, very good, tight share structure, great management team, very experienced in the tobacco industry. This company is a game changer. They've already proven themselves to get into stores. Now they're expanding. That expansion is going to increase their sales dramatically. More sales, more revenue, more price appreciation. That's all I care about. I don't get emotional about stocks. I look at the fundamentals. The fundamentals of this company are amazing. Founded in 1905, Crossmark first rose to prominence in 1977 when it took on an inventory management project for Cadbury to mitigate difficulties with out-of-date products in stores. Since 1905, this company's been around. By the year 2000, Crossmark had completed over 50 mergers and acquisitions to form a nationwide full-service sales, brand management, and merchandising firm. In 2013, Crossmark also acquired Marketing Works and Promo Works, which are Chicago-based agencies specializing in end-to-end marketing and consumer engagement through in-store and out-of-store channels. The company is confident that Crossmark's comprehensive suite of service covering the entire CPG product journey can play an important role in further establishing the presence of Taat in retail stores. There it is, folks. These are all the different areas. Pretty huge. Pretty massive, if you ask me. This feels like a game changer for the company. This feels like a game changer for the company. A complete game changer for the company. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the chat. We're not going to waste our time focusing on speaking to trolls or people with very low IQs, okay? We want intelligent individuals in the chat. If you have something good to say, something positive, something productive, please feel free to join the chat, okay? If you have nothing positive to say, please don't waste anybody's time. And please don't waste your own. And, if you guys don't know what to do, maybe, and you're legal aged and you're a smoker, maybe try a Taat. Maybe try a Taat. Try the original. Try the smooth. Try the menthol. They are going to be potentially in 100,000 locations in America soon. I don't think a company goes to 100,000 locations across America unless this company is doing something huge. I don't think 100,000 locations in America want a product unless they like the product. And I don't think you go to 100,000 locations if people don't want your product and people are not ordering your product. So the fact that they are now expanding this quickly, I have never seen a company grow as quickly as Taat in my life, actually. I've never seen a company go from an idea to actually having sales and grow nationally as quickly as Taat is doing. It is extremely impressive what these guys are doing. I find what they're doing to be surgical, extremely impressive. We have to keep in mind, this is a company that's been around for 6 months. Not a company that's been around for 10 years. Not a company that's been around for 100 years. This is a company that went public in June of 2020. 6 months. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. Sorry, this is their 8th month. Their 8th month. And 8 months ago, they were an idea. And I remember 8 months ago when people were saying, oh, Taat is this and Taat is that, and they'll never sell any cigarettes. And their cigarettes are not real. Even when I made videos and I was testing the product, people were saying that it wasn't real. Now, not only is it real, it will be in over 100,000 locations in America in the short future. That's just the beginning. Once it gets into 100,000, what's the next goal after that? Would you say 1 million? The growth potential for this company is astronomical. It's astronomical. When you think about the fact that they have the entire world as a market and they're starting with Ohio, the potential for these guys is astronomical. Hey, Miguel. Good to see you, man. Jeannie says, do you think it's going to keep pulling towards 3 in the short term? I think the stock has been bouncing between 250 and 4 for quite some time. 250 is the buy zone. 350 to 4 is a sell zone. Every time it gets to $4, it sees selling pressure. That's clearly the zone where it's selling. So as a trader, you need to be aware of that. I can't tell you what to buy and what to sell. I'm not a licensed advisor. I can't tell you when to buy and when to sell. And I'm not going to tell you when to buy and when to sell. But I can tell you based on chart analysis that if you're around 250 or lower, or even 250 to 3, that's kind of like the buy zone. And if you're at 350 to 4 or over, that's a sell zone based on the way it's trading. When will it break that trend? I believe it breaks that trend when they actually have a robust amount of revenue. And then, that's going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight. Fanny says, do they have any plans to uplist to the NASDAQ anytime soon? Company with a lot of potential and still under the radar. I believe they will. I don't know if they're going to do it soon, but I know that that is something that they will be doing in the future. I can't tell you when because I don't know, but I'm sure that's something that they're thinking about, and that will bring in way more shareholders. And obviously you need to, you want to see the stock around $5. So I think if the stock gets around $5, then I think the conversation of NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange will be a very real one. Miguel says, let me tell you something. At the end of the year, at least $12, maybe more. I wouldn't be surprised, Miguel, to be honest with you. I wouldn't be surprised to see that. Mehmet says, imagine in 31 December, there was 25 shops and now they're like 70 plus. And it's only going to get bigger. It's going to be in the hundreds of thousands of shops. Ali says, Tim Corkum said they will get uplisted, but he never said when this year. Yeah, because it's very difficult for him to say, but I'm pretty sure that an uplisting is in the cards. It will be in the cards for all of these super hyper growth stocks that we talk about. Miguel says, Yahoo, I told you my new Porsche. I hope you win that Porsche, brother. The investment ABC says they will get uplisted soon. Second quarter 2021. They need to show revenue and meet other criteria. So yeah, so that's coming. There's going to be a lot of things coming. So let's see what Taat Chief Executive Officer Seti Coscarella said about this huge news. Ever since Taat was first placed on store shelves in Ohio in December 2020, I remember when they were in their first store and where people were panicking. It was pretty crazy. It was pretty crazy to see people panicking. And yeah, it's nice to see them now, right? It's amazing to see them now. Taat Chief Executive Officer Seti Coscarella commented, ever since Taat was first placed on store shelves in Ohio in December 2020, we have received glowing feedback about the product from both legal age smokers and retailers alike. It is common knowledge in the world of business that this is only the first step towards the success of a product launch. We selected Crossmark to represent Taat because their formula for creating, implementing, and executing strategies for CPG merchandising has been honed over decades of bringing new customer products to mainstream retail channels. In addition to leveraging their relationship with major retailers and wholesalers across our targeted channels for Taat, Crossmark also offers an impressive suite of back office functions, including marketing, data analytics, and order processing support. Altogether, these services could enable Taat to penetrate the tobacco market much more rapidly and efficiently compared to building out our own national sales and merchandising team from scratch. I agree 100%. This is what you call acquiring your growth as opposed to growing organically. This is genius. I had no idea they were doing this, but I am 100% behind this. And this is how you scale quickly. These guys are surgical in their approach, and I'm extremely impressed with everything they are doing. Only one has to look at the results Crossmark achieved in commercializing another tobacco brand across the United States to know that they have both the experience and know-how to launch a product to an audience of legal age smokers, which could assist the company in realizing its objective for the Taat product launch. Wow. We are thrilled to have Crossmark on our side as we seek to take Taat products available to legal age smokers throughout the United States. Huge news, and I will be interviewing Seti on Thursday, and stay tuned to that interview. Jeff Neihart, a vice president and general manager of customer service for Crossmark, commented, "At Crossmark, we pride ourselves in our familiarity with what intrigues today's consumers and what consistently delivers value to them. We are very selective in onboarding only a limited number of new brands each year, and it gives me great satisfaction to have found a match in Taat as a novel, relevant, and sticky product that could continue to resonate well with legal age smokers. Furthermore, we are confident that with the combination of our presence in the retail channels through which tobacco products are sold and our experience in executing strategies within the category of tobacco alternatives, we can amplify the value proposition offered by Taat to legal age smokers in the United States and help the company meet or exceed their goals. Crossmark has been in the business of connecting retailers with a curated range of CPG products for more than 100 years, and we are excited to introduce Taat to tobacco retailers who we predict will find the product appealing and will want to carry it in their respective stores." Whoa, this is big. This is big. Very, very, very big. Wow. This is exciting. About Taat Lifestyle and Wellness, the company has developed Taat, which is a tobacco-free and nicotine-free alternative to traditional cigarettes offered in original, smooth, and menthol varieties. Taat's base material is Beyond Tobacco, a proprietary blend which undergoes a patent-pending refinement technique, causing its scent and taste to resemble tobacco. Under executive leadership with Big Tobacco pedigree, Taat was launched first in the United States in Q4 2020 as the company seeks to position itself in the $814 billion global tobacco industry. Wow. Massive, guys. This is so big. So yeah, I feel sorry for anyone that's shorting the stock. You're probably in a panic right now. I get it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not here to laugh at anyone that's losing money. But, at the end of the day, you have to understand, like, when you're shorting a company that is a growing company, you're taking a massive risk, especially a stock that's already up hundreds of percent. Clearly, it's a huge success story. And this is a story that's only getting bigger and only getting better. And the reality is, this is a story that's gaining steam. This is a story that's now a company, a business, a revenue generating company with millions of dollars in the bank, huge backing behind it, and international exposure, literally investors all over the world that own this company, and shareholders and customers that want this product all over the world. And we're getting in at the start. We're telling the story at the beginning. We get a chance to tell the story from the start. I'm proud to be a part of it, proud to be here to tell the story. I'm going to be here every step of the way, on the good days, on the bad days. There really haven't been that many bad days. Stock's at $3.21, and it started at 41 cents. We have investors in our community that have made a killing on Taat, and they just started having sales. What are their sales going to look like when they're in 100,000 plus convenience stores in America? Please enlighten me. Let me know. Expert Trading says Bambino shorting, getting caught with his shorts down. Yeah, that kind of happens to shorts. Didn't that just happen to shorts? Pretty sure that just happened to the shorts. Emmy says this is big news for Taat. Wow, huge news, enormous news. Emmy says they will do for Taat what they did for Jewel, and then boom. I agree with you 100%. Miguel says 814 billion market cap. Yes, sir. Ali says, even with such good news, I don't expect the stock price to go up more than 20 cents tomorrow. Market's just weird like that. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. It went up $1 on Monday and nobody expected that. So we'll see what happens. I'm not here to make predictions. I'm just here to bring you the news and tell you what's going on in the market. Based on the chart, this could easily rocket up, and it's been going up. So I think $4, $5, $6 is all coming. It's just a matter of when. It's not even a matter of if at this point. It's just a matter of when. Excuse me. In my opinion, I think the upside for Taat is absolutely tremendous. And like you can see with this chart, it's trending up. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. We were the first one ever to bring you Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. It's been a huge winner. TAAT in Canada, TOBAF in America. And you can see that it's gone up in Canada, the United States, and in Germany. 2TP2 in Germany. Been a huge winner for members all over the world. Congratulations to members and investors and shareholders on Taat Lifestyle and Wellness. Enjoy the news. I will. Have a great day. Can't wait till tomorrow. It's going to be a fun ride. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Now remember, you only buy Taat if you're legal aged, okay? And if you're legal age, you try Taat. Why? Because it has no nicotine, no tobacco, and it's half price of all their competitors. How do you say game over? Oh, yeah. Rich TV Live. Subscribe.